Ges.m.b.H here, bringing you another distressed firearm that I plan on cleaning up a little bit and taking out to the gun show. I'm going to clean the rust off of this. I've already made sure it functions fine. I will clear it so that the internet bullets do not injure you any. You see it is clear. Decent. There's the major area on here is the back strap. It's kind of frosted from years of not being well maintained. If you have a revolver, every once in a while take it out and just oil it down with some decent quality gun oil. Do not use WD-40. Don't use motor oil. A gun oil like brake free, rim oil, something in that realm. Frog lube, pretty much anything that's designed for firearms protection, not necessarily just cleaning. Hopies is not a good one to use for long-term storage. Hopies number 9, or Hoppies number 9, however you want to describe it. But real decent condition. It's going to find a place on somebody's bedstand, maybe even mine, for a while. I doubt I'll shoot it, but I might. The Taurus is essentially just a Smith & Wesson, this being a copy of the J-frame. Taurus and Rossi both had experience. I believe they're the same company now, making guns under license in Brazil. There's virtually nothing wrong with this gun other than cosmetic. I'm going to clean it up. It'll work just fine. I'll function check it with all of my experience, and you will see it'll make somebody pretty happy one day. Firing pin is intact. Timing issues, none. Pretty good gun. So I'll clean it up. I'll see you back here in a few minutes when I'm done, and there you go. And we're back with the Taurus Model 85, and it cleaned up pretty well. The couple of spots on here where there used to be rust at one time, and they're all clean. Muzzle, which was bare metal before, is still bare metal, but not stained as badly as it was before. A few spots, the back strap is now bare metal, but it's not frosted anymore. All that frosting was just surface corrosion underneath there. It was kind of nice and bare. Base plate, little patina there. Underneath the grip was a gooey substance of some sort. I don't know whether somebody tried to glue the grips together or what have you. These are Uncle Mike's aftermarket grips. But it was a pain in the butt to get off. That was actually the worst part. Some honest wear, right-handed shooter, obviously, because it's worn right where the trigger goes, or the finger goes into the trigger guard, but not so much on this side. Some honest rust and wear around the cylinder latch. Nice and clean, about as clean as you can hope for. And there you go. The Taurus Model 85 is a good, decent bargain type revolver. The modern ones are built to a poor standard compared to the older ones. It's interesting how originally they started out with a poor standards, and then they got pretty decent, probably late 80s, mid 90s, and then they started resting on their laurels and trying to make the guns cheaper, and in doing so they made them quicker and probably didn't devote as much time and effort to the fine finishing that you would expect. I haven't dated this one yet. I suppose I could, and what I'll do is I'll date it, and I'll go ahead and put the date up here in the corner. That'll tell you what year it was made in. And there you go. Beautiful revolver. The aftermarket grips don't hurt it much. You still get a 2-finger purchase on it when you go to grab it. There you go. Hope you enjoyed. I will not be shooting this one. I'll just go ahead and leave the video at this. If you have any comments, please comment below. Also, if you like the video, please like. That really helps me a lot. If you made it to this point in the video, you're probably a regular viewer or interested, and please reward me with a like if you could. Also, favorite, subscribe. If you want to see more of these, certainly subscribe, and share with your friends if you found it interesting. It's Ges.m.b.H. Goodbye.